Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change icon to custom icon using CSS in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to change icon to custom icon. Now you see marker. So this is our default icon. So we are going to change it by using custom CSS. So you can use this CSS to WordPress, PHP or HTML website. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Then you see CSS list style, type none. Now you see UL and then you see LI display grid, template column 20px, justify content, start, align item center. So this is our main CSS, LI colon before. So in content section, so you can paste icon directly or you can add character Unicode. Now you see font size 20px and then you can set color. So we added Unicode character, then click on publish. But this code apply on all website. Now go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see custom CSS apply on menu also. But now you see icon change to custom icon. Now go to customize section and we are going to apply this custom CSS to specific section by using class or ID. So this is our ID, sidebar style. Now copy this. Now scroll up, paste here. Now you see this is our ID, hash, sidebar style, UL, paste here again. Then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see changes apply on this section only, remaining all good because we added CSS ID before custom CSS class. Now go to CSS. Now you see this is our CSS ID we added before our custom CSS. So this is our Unicode character. Now you see Unicode table. So you can add any Unicode character. Now you see code 00 A5. You see all character code. So you can add according to your requirement or if you want you can add character directly. Now copy any character. Now you see copy. Now back to code and then paste here. Then click on publish. Now go to website and refresh the page. Now you see new character added. So it's up to you. If you want you can add Unicode or if you want you can add character directly. So now we are going to add some margin. Now paste. So we added margin left -10px important. So click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see some margin we added. So you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. So you can use this CSS with some ID or class. So these changes not apply on whole website. So you can add Unicode character or paste icon directly in content section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.